Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, homemaking video, and home decor. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. So today's video, guys, is a cleaning one, but I had not meant to post a cleaning video this week. Unfortunately, whatever I wanted to post this week hasn't happened yet. And there's actually a very funny story behind this video, because while shooting this video, I just placed while doing my normal cleaning, I just placed the camera and I was like, let me just put this camera here, because you never know, maybe I might not succeed in whatever that I wanted to do. True to that, that which I wanted to post didn't go through. So you see, placing this camera while doing this cleaning actually has helped me a lot. And yeah, that's why you're seeing it's actually not the kind of for instance, the sitting room, it has not covered the whole living room. It's just a little bit, it's just actually partly just part of the living room, because I was not into shooting this day. But anyway, guys, it did turn out bad. It was okay, because this is actually my daily cleaning habits that I normally do, the places that I normally clean each and every day: the living room, the kitchen, and the toilet. On this particular day, actually, I did clean the refrigerator, although that is not something that I normally do. I usually just wipe it out, but today I had to clean inside of it just a little bit. And yeah, I will also be sharing with you that part that I was doing all that. So yeah, guys, today's video, it's a quick one actually, because I was rushing over this. And yeah, this week I've actually been so busy. I've been tackling a lot of things that cleaning the house has not been on my to-do list. I've actually been skipping that most of the times. So actually, this day, when doing this cleaning, I had missed cleaning the previous day. So yeah, I was just rushing over everything so that at least I get the house in order. And yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you guys are doing well and you're fantastic. And I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. I am already done with the living room, so right now I want to rush over these dishes really fast, because I have a project that I need to complete before the day ends. So that's the reason as to why I'm rushing over everything. Yeah, and sometimes I get so summed up with the work to an extent that I ask myself why I don't get a house help. But I did try that. Actually, it was in February. I got a lady, and yeah, she was good. I can't complain, but she was not good according to my expectation. I think maybe I expected a lot from her, but unfortunately it didn't turn out that way, because the main reason as to why I wanted the house help was because of my baby. I wanted somebody who could take care of him, who could feed him, who could, a person with whom they could relate so well. And unfortunately this lady, they didn't get along, not at all, because feeding the baby, doing everything with the baby, I'm the one who used to do all that. To an extent, I could stop whatever I was doing to attend to the baby. She didn't make an effort of doing that, and I didn't find that as being, that was not a good impact on my side, because it's like, because I wanted somebody who could at least relieve me of some work, somebody who could help me in some one way or the other. And yeah, it didn't turn out as I expected, so I had to let her go. So these days it's just me, it's just the three of us in the house, unless if my brother-in-law visits, or my sister visits, or my brother visits. Uh, yeah, it's always just us, and I think I'm so used to it being just the three of us. To an extent, having somebody else in the house kind of seems like intruding, because of the privacy. I like the privacy, being that our house is an open kitchen. And yeah, the good thing is that I work from home, so that is so advantageous. I get time to do my things my way, and yeah, so that's the reason as to why sometimes that's the reason as to why it's always just me. But sometimes I really get tired to an extent that I wish I had somebody who could help me every now and again. But I know that time will come. point I am almost done. I just want to put these things away to where they normally are, and I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. I will leave the link to my Instagram account in the description box. Please check it out and then give me a follow. Until the next one.